Congratulations on your offer to study in our program. My name is Dr. Renu Singh, and I'm the Program Director for the MSc in Public Policy at Durham University. In this short video, we'll take a look at the unique opportunities our program has to offer. If you're watching this video, you will have received an offer to study on the MSc in Public Policy at Durham University's School of Government and International Affairs. This course tackles real-world problems by building a strong foundation in public policy, public administration, and data analysis that emphasizes building hands-on experiences throughout the year. The modules on public policy focus on important issues around the globe, and the signature capstone module also pairs students with external organizations to address a specific policy problem they are facing as part of the program. Our data analysis skills are also a key part of your learning experience in order to strengthen your ability to engage with evidence-based policymaking, providing training to both create and interpret evidence for solving policy problems. And your institutional home will be within SGIA's largest research center, the Center for Institutions and Political Behavior. Let's take a look at how the program is structured. In the first term, we start with one core module, public policy, on the policy track and one of two options from the data analysis track. If you are more at a beginner level, the core module would be quantitative methods and analysis on the data science track, and if you are at a more advanced level, you will take the full stack research design module. This provides all students with a common foundational understanding of shared issues, public policy concepts and cases, and data analysis skills, with students from both data analysis tracks still having an opportunity to interact with each other and learn together. In the second term, the public policy module will expand beyond macrostructural contexts for policymaking and the policymaking cycle to focus on public administration and management as well. Meanwhile, the two data science tracks will merge in taking causal inference. In addition, this term marks the beginning of the capstone module and the dissertation, which both continue into the third term. The dissertation is a substantial piece of independent research, and the capstone module will involve working in teams with a capstone partner on a policy problem under the guidance of a module convener and other faculty members. Throughout the first and second terms, there are also ample opportunities to take multiple elective courses in public policy and in data analysis. In terms of the policy and data analysis electives or options, these will vary from year to year depending on availability, but here is an indicative selection. On the public policy or politics section, you can see we have advanced topics in public policy, the making of a policymaker, public policy reform, global governance, and the politics of global Europe. On the data science side, we have natural language processing for public policy, surveys, survey experiments and analysis, and communicating quantitative evidence. The capstone allows students to study a public policy context in depth by executing a project in response to a brief by a capstone partner organization. For example, we have the NHS Trust, the Ministry of Justice, Ramsden International, and the International Crisis Group. During this module, students will write a group report in response to a brief, which will be set by a policy-facing organization. In response to this brief, students will formulate terms of reference for their group, which will define the scope of the capstone project. Students will then work to fulfill the terms of reference, critically assessing different policy options in the process. Students will present the resulting report during a group presentation with our partners. If you join us in Durham for the MSc in Public Policy, our program will provide you with an interactive and applied teaching style, making use of innovative case studies, simulations, and the capstone module. Our programs are intended to bridge theory and practice, showing how theoretical concepts are applied in real-world settings and providing opportunities to engage directly with policy professionals and practitioners. Our modules are research-led and draw on a strength of interdisciplinary knowledge from politics and international relations to psychology and law. Importantly, all of our master's students are an integral part of the CAPB community and also the broader SGIA community, and can participate fully in the center's and broader school's termly events and visiting guest speaker series, bringing together leading scholars and practitioners. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon at Durham in our MSc in Public Policy.